Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their dreams effortlessly while others struggle? What if the secret lies in one simple yet powerful concept? Faith. Today, we're diving deep into the teachings of Neville Goddard, a renowned spiritual teacher who believed that faith is the cornerstone of manifesting your desires. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to harness the power of faith to transform your life and achieve your dreams. Faith is often misunderstood. It's not merely about hoping for the best or having a positive attitude. According to Neville Goddard, faith is a deep, unwavering conviction that what you desire is already yours. This belief goes beyond surface-level thinking. It penetrates your subconscious mind, influencing your thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you have faith, you are not just wishing for something to happen. You are knowing with absolute certainty that it will happen. This profound belief creates a powerful energy that attracts your desires into your reality. Think of faith as a magnet. The stronger your faith, the stronger the magnetic pull of your desires towards you. This concept is central to Goddard's teachings and forms the foundation of successful manifestation. Neville Goddard was a mystic and a pioneer in the field of metaphysical thought. His teachings revolve around the idea that imagination is the key to creating reality. He proposed that everything we experience in the physical world is a manifestation of our inner world, our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Goddard emphasized that we have the power to shape our reality through our imagination. By vividly imagining our desires as already fulfilled, we send out powerful vibrations into the universe, aligning ourselves with the frequency of our desires. This alignment is what brings our desires into our physical reality. One of Goddard's most famous quotes is, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled." This means that to manifest your desires, you must first feel as if they are already achieved. This feeling creates a state of being that attracts the desired outcome. It's not enough to merely think about your desires. You must embody the emotions associated with their fulfillment. Imagination is a powerful tool that can shape your reality. According to Goddard, our imagination is not just a mental faculty, but a divine tool that connects us to the creative power of the universe. When used correctly, imagination can turn your dreams into reality. To harness the power of imagination, start by vividly picturing your desired outcome. Close your eyes and create a mental image of your goal, as if it is already achieved. Imagine every detail, the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your success. The more vivid and detailed your imagination, the more powerful its impact. For instance, if your goal is to own a beautiful home, imagine walking through it. See the colors of the walls, feel the texture of the furniture, and hear the sounds of your family laughing in the background. Engage all your senses in this visualization. The more real it feels in your mind, the more real it will become in your physical world. Imagination goes hand in hand with belief. When you imagine your desires as already fulfilled, you strengthen your belief in their attainment. This combination of imagination and belief creates a powerful force that can move mountains and make the impossible possible. One of the most crucial aspects of Neville Goddard's teachings is the idea that feeling is the secret. This means that the emotions you associate with your desires are the driving force behind their manifestation. It's not enough to just think about what you want. You must feel as if you already have it. Feelings create a vibrational frequency that attracts similar frequencies. When you feel joy, gratitude, and excitement about your desires, you emit high vibrations that attract positive outcomes. Conversely, feelings of doubt, fear, and frustration emit low vibrations that repel your desires. To practice this principle, start by identifying the emotions associated with your desired outcome. How would you feel if your dream came true right now? Would you feel ecstatic, grateful, or peaceful? Once you've identified these emotions, cultivate them in your daily life. For example, if your goal is to find a fulfilling job, imagine how you would feel if you already had it. Feel the excitement of waking up each morning to do work you love. Feel the gratitude for the opportunities and the satisfaction of making a difference. By embodying these feelings, you align yourself with the frequency of your desired outcome, making it more likely to manifest. Faith without action is incomplete. To manifest your desires, you must align your actions with your beliefs. This means taking practical steps towards your goals while maintaining unwavering faith in their attainment. Start by setting clear, specific goals. Write down what you want to achieve and create a plan of action. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps and take consistent action towards them. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your desired outcome. In addition to taking action, practice daily affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your beliefs and intentions. Repeat affirmations such as, "I am worthy of my desires," "I have the power to create my reality," and "my dreams are coming true." These affirmations help to reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with your goals. Visualization is another powerful tool for putting faith into action. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your desired outcome. See yourself living your dream and feel the emotions associated with it. The more you practice visualization, the more real it will become in your mind and eventually in your reality. Doubts and negative thoughts are natural obstacles on the path to manifestation. They can undermine your faith and hinder your progress. To overcome doubts, you must be vigilant and proactive in maintaining a positive mindset. When doubts arise, acknowledge them without giving them power. Recognize that they are merely thoughts and not reflections of your reality. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and focus on your desired outcome. Remind yourself of your past successes and the times when you achieved your goals despite doubts. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift and support you. Read books, watch videos, and listen to podcasts that inspire and motivate you. The more you fill your mind with positive content, the less room there is for doubts and negativity. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. It raises your vibration and attracts more positive experiences into your life. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for and reflect on them. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your mindset and overall well-being. Persistence is a key factor in achieving your goals. It is the quality that keeps you going despite challenges and setbacks. According to Neville Goddard, persistence in maintaining faith and taking consistent action is essential for manifestation. Persistence means holding on to your vision even when circumstances seem unfavorable. It means continuing to believe in your dreams, no matter how long it takes or how difficult the path may be. It means never giving up on your desires. To cultivate persistence, set clear intentions and commit to them wholeheartedly. Remind yourself daily of your goals and why they are important to you. Keep your vision alive by regularly visualizing your desired outcome and feeling the associated emotions. Stay focused on your goals and avoid distractions. It's easy to get sidetracked by doubts, fears, and external influences. Stay true to your path and trust that your efforts will pay off. Remember, persistence is not about doing the same thing over and over again, but about adapting and finding new ways to achieve your goals. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Acknowledge your achievements and use them as motivation to keep going. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory and brings you closer to your desired outcome. Real-life examples can be incredibly inspiring and serve as proof that Neville Goddard's teachings work. Here are some stories of individuals who have successfully manifested their desires through faith and imagination. One such story is that of a woman who desired to own a successful business. She practiced daily visualization and affirmations, imagining her business thriving and her clients happy. Despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks, she remained persistent and faithful. Eventually, her business began to grow, and today she runs a successful enterprise that brings her joy and fulfillment. Another example is a man who wanted to improve his health. He used the power of imagination to visualize himself in perfect health, feeling strong and energetic. He took practical steps such as eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and practicing positive affirmations. Over time, his health improved dramatically, and he achieved his goal of vibrant well-being. These stories demonstrate that with faith, imagination, and persistence, anyone can achieve their desires. They serve as a reminder that the power to create our reality lies within us. Faith is a powerful force that can transform your life. According to Neville Goddard, faith is not just a belief, but a deep, unwavering conviction that your desires are already yours. By harnessing the power of imagination, feeling the emotions associated with your desires, and taking consistent action, you can manifest your dreams into reality. Overcoming doubts and maintaining persistence are crucial components of the manifestation process. Surround yourself with positive influences, practice gratitude, and celebrate your progress. Remember, the key to success is to never give up on your dreams, no matter how challenging the path may be. By applying Neville Goddard's teachings, you can tap into your inner power and create the life you desire. Start today by practicing faith and imagination, and watch as your dreams unfold before your eyes. Let's end with a powerful affirmation. I believe in my dreams, and they are becoming my reality. Repeat this affirmation daily and feel its truth in your heart. Your faith and belief will guide you towards the manifestation of your deepest desires. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below sharing your experiences with faith and manifestation. Remember, with faith, anything is possible.